It is divided into sections with cues for visuals and sound effects. Video title: I survived a lunar collision in Minecraft. Ending explained. The script: 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Intro: the hook narrator, energetic, friendly. What is up, Minecrafters? Welcome back to the survival world. Today we had some big plans. I was going to finally finish the roof on the mega base. Maybe do some relaxing villager trading, you know? A chill episode. Narrator. Voice drops, sounding confused. But, chat, look at the sky. Is it just me, or is the moon closer? Like, way closer than it was yesterday. 0:45. Act 1. The signs. Narrator. Rising panic. Okay, that is definitely not normal Minecraft physics. It's getting bigger by the minute. I checked the server plugins. Nobody is trolling me. This is actually happening. Narrator. The tides are going crazy. My beach house is already flooded. And look at the mobs. Narrator. The villagers are absolutely losing their minds. Testificate number 4. Over there has just been sprinting into a dirt block for 10 minutes straight. They know something is coming. We have to prepare. 1:30. Act 2. Preparation. Panic narrator, speaking very fast. Okay, new plan. Forget the roof. We need a bunker. We need to go deep. Grab the diamonds. Grab the golden apples. We are breaking rule number 1 today, boys. We are digging straight down. Narrator. We're at Y level -59. Right above bedrock. Chat, the real question is, can Minecraft Bedrock stop an actual celestial body crashing into the server? I don't think Notch programmed for this. Narrator. Wait, do you hear that rumbling? 2:15. Act 3. Impact narrator, yelling. It's here. Oh my god, get in the bunker. Go, go, go. Narrator, whispering loudly. Okay, we're sealed in. Narrator, screaming over the noise. The server is lagging. My frames are dropping to single digits. I think it hit the surface. It sounds like a million creepers just went off at build height. Narrator, it's breaking the obsidian. It's crashing through the chunks. No, no! 3:15. Act 4, the aftermath and outro narrator, quiet, shocked voice. Did we survive? I think the game crashed for a second there. Narrator. Oh, my God. Look at the seed. It's all gone. My base, the village, the mountains. It's just a crater the size of an entire biome. It literally replaced the overworld with endstone. Narrator, returning to normal YouTuber energy. Well, folks, I think it's safe to say that world is corrupted beyond repair. That is what happens when the moon decides to visit your Minecraft server. If you guys enjoyed watching everything, I love get absolutely deleted from existence. Smash that like button. Guess I'm starting a brand new hardcore world tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the restart. See ya!